back to John Cleese Car Audio. Today we're going to be talking about the Mk3 Golf Colour Concept GTI. We've done this particular Mk3 here. As you can see, it's pretty heavily modified down to the Porsche wheels, Porsche brakes, and even a set of Audi A4 door handles. So this particular car had a big system we put in, which consists of the Hertz three-way Mk3 Legend components running fully active. Now the amplifiers we've chosen for this project was the Audison Voce range, so we've got a 5.1K and an AV Quattro. In the left-hand side near side panel, we've fabricated a box to hold the Hertz Mk3 Legend 10-inch subwoofer. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to get in the car and I'm going to talk you through the system. So now we're inside this Mk3 Golf. As you can see from this clip, it's heavily modified down to the TT dashboard, a carbon Porsche steering wheel, along with carbon bits applied everywhere. The source unit we've actually sourced a retro or period looking CDA 7939 by Alpine with its copper chassis. This is linked to a bit 1 for all the processing needs. The A-pillars have been fabricated in-house, which hold the Mk3 Legend tweeter and Mk3 Legend 3-inch mid. Can't quite see it in this video, but there's also Mk3 Legend mid base, but we'll show you that in the next video. Now obviously with this Alpine head unit, you can imagine we're restricted to only CDs and FM radios. So what we've done is we've actually installed a HD Wi-Fi streaming device that's connected to the bit 1 so the customer can just stream music directly from his mobile phone. So what we'll do now is we'll move on to the boot and I'll show you what we've done there. So now we move to my favourite part of the install, the custom boot build. Have a look at this. It's a great install. This one, the lighting works extremely well up from underneath the amplifiers. It's not too ostentatious, it just flows really nicely. We've got the Audison 5.1K on the left here, which is the HD version, and then we've got the Audison 4-channel Quattro on the right. Quattro runs the mid bass in the front doors, and the 5.1K runs the mid, the tweeter, and the 10-inch subwoofer, which is a Mk3 Legend here, which is mounted on our own fabricated enclosure. We've actually designed these amplifiers to be able to be lifted up so you can access the hidden air tank, which is mounted behind that panel there. So it's fully serviceable for anyone who's working on the air ride in the future. As you can see, this looks amazing. We're really happy with how this one's turned out. So that's about it for the walkthrough on this Mk3 Golf. We will be doing a full blog on this car to go on our website soon, so you can view all the more finer details and exactly what's going on behind the scenes. There will be a part 2 of this video to show the Clifford alarm we've also installed to make sure that none of this kit goes anywhere. So if you like what you see or you have anything similar kind of projects that you want to talk through with us, then please get in contact.